morning. Today I will be discussing recycling. There is a recycling crisis in the U.S. due to the confusion among the public. Recyclables are an essential part of our everyday lives. Recyclables can be broken out into three main things: paper, aluminum, and plastic. The first thing I will be discussing today is paper. Recycling paper saves resources and reduces the paper industry's environmental impact. When paper is properly recycled, it becomes a reusable material. Waste paper becomes raw material for new paper and paper products. Recyclable paper is likely to cause less pollution of water, air, and energy. In the recent years, there has been growth in the amount of paper that is diverted back to the useful purpose, although it is rather slow. It is important to keep in mind that there are some restrictions involved in recycling paper. In general, paper can only be recycled if it's clean of free food, any soiled, any oil, any lotion. So basically, the way they are treated or the way they are disposed of or used, that determines if they can be recycled. Our next item that we'll be discussing is plastic. Plastic is also an item of the most in-demand items when it comes to recycling. Plastic items that can be recycled are soft bottle drinks, cold cups, foam cups, milk jugs, or food containers. For example, soft drink bottles are being recycled into fiber coats, sleeping bags, milk jugs are being recycled into toys, flower pots. Food containers are being recycled into notepad, toys, and food trays. Plastics that have been recycled can be used to manufacture a variety of products. If plastic cannot be separated from each into single resigns, a mixture of plastic can be made into a plastic lumber. For example, wooden chairs, wooden fences, wooden benches. Those all can be recycled into something else that's bigger. While looking for plastic to recycle, we do want you guys to remember that there's always a number that lets a consumer know if it can be recycled. So on a plastic bottle, it will say 1, 3, or 7 that can be recycled, or 8. And the items that can't be recycled will be the opposite of those numbers. Another item that I will be discussing today is aluminum. Aluminum is a big object that can be recycled and reused. In the melting process, aluminum doesn't lose its atomic structure, and that's why it's a material that can be recycled numerous times in various cases for the same product. Say a can, it can be recycled into another can at the same time. The recycling rate for aluminum cans is considered to be much higher than for glass or plastic or paper, although the rates have fallen to below 50% over the past 4 years. With the increasing recycling of aluminum, we will be using less energy as well as reducing our carbon footprint. As a recyclable package type, cans have a higher recycling rate and contain more recycled content compared to other package formats. Aluminum that can be recycled would be, for example, cans, soda, beer, soup cans. Anything that you put like in a food container or that you get from a food pantry could be recycled. As though we recycle cans, we do have to make sure that we follow the restrictions as well as the rules for those to be recycled and reused. In the conclusion of this, these are the 3 things that we touch and see regularly on the day-to-day basis can contribute to the sustainability of our planet by changing how we think and we act. Thank you.